Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I'd like to do today is to introduce y'all to my furniture store business plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give y'all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, I'm going to walk y'all through my furniture store business plan template, specifically the Microsoft Word document, which is the actual business plan template, and then also the financial model, which is in an Excel file. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little presentation. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing, as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the star of the show, which is my furniture store business plan template. So the template does come with a Word document, and that is the actual business plan template itself for the furniture store. And then it also comes with a financial model, which is in the Excel file, and we'll be going through both of them real quick in this video. And this video is just an introduction, just to show you all what's included in the template. All right, so once you open up the template, you're going to find that you're going to be greeted with the title page. Most of my clients, they're going to take out the furniture store right here. They'll either add their name or they'll go ahead and put their logo there, and then they'll leave business plan underneath. For the second page, table of contents, once you add a little meat to the bone, you go ahead and update the business plan template with your information. Just come back to the table of contents, click on it, click on update the table, click on update the entire table, click on OK, and voila, just like magic, all the headers and the page numbers will update for you. Next section is going to be the executive summary section. In the executive summary and in the business plan itself, I do use some AI information. So I plugged in some of my information into the AI ChatGPT, and it helped spruce up a little bit of the content. So anywhere you see the name where it says company name, obviously you're going to put your information. Anywhere I put yellow, that's where I highly recommend you go ahead and review, make sure that information is correct. But just read through the template and start updating your information accordingly. The executive summary section is going to include a furniture store summary section, target market section, financial highlights section, and then a funding request section. For the second section is your company description. Again, for the furniture store summary and products sold, I did use a little bit of AI for some sprucing of the wording. And again, anywhere in yellow, update with your information. Sections included is going to be your company furniture store summary, products sold, competitive advantages, primary target market, pricing strategy, hours of operation, location, and then business objectives and timeline. The next section that we come to is going to be your industry analysis. I do use IBIS World for my industry research. They are, in my most humble of opinion, the industry leader in industry research. And so I've got an industry overview here for y'all, and then some industry revenues and growth statistics as well. And then I've got a products and service segmentation also. The next section is going to be your SWOT analysis, your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities and threat. It is smart art, so just click on it. Once you click on it, you click on that little arrow right here. It'll pop out your bullet points, and just update the bullet points with whatever information you want to go ahead and change. Next section is going to be your organizational structure. It's broken into two categories, your ownership section, and then your organizational chart. Next section is going to be your marketing section, and 3 popular marketing channels for a furniture store business is going to be your traditional marketing, internet marketing, and social media marketing. Give you some great starting points for each. Funding request, how much money do you need to get the party started? You update that accordingly with the funding needed. And then we're at the financial projections. Financial projection statements are just copy and pasted from the Excel financial model. Financial projections include your profit and loss year one, broken up monthly and as well as quarterly. Month 1 through 3, quarter 1. Month 4 through 6, quarter 2. Month 7 through 9, quarter 3. And we've got month 10 through 12, quarter 4. And then we summarize a pro forma income statement for year 1 through year 5. And these statements come from the financial model, which would be right here. The financial model has 4 tabs: your information page, your projection page, and then your profit and loss page, and then your income statement. For each one of the statements, you're going to go ahead and copy and paste those from the model into the template. And you're going to update that information on this page right here. I do have a separate tutorial for the Excel model, so I'm just going to briefly go through it. Anywhere you have the darker color cells is where you're going to change your information. Segments included, it could be your daily sales, your labor, your startup cost, your monthly fixed cost, miscellaneous information, growth rates, and then your loan information. So again, anything in the darker colored cells, once you update that information, your pro forma financial statements will update accordingly, and then you just copy and paste those statements into the Word document. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.